simple for you?
It's too simple for me.
Kiss does not always work.
But kiss always sounds good. Whose dogs are they?
I have no clue.
I'm going to step right in a pile of crap, I know it.
There's not too many piles in here. Just so I the uneven sand. What? What? It's just stuff. It's just stuff on the fence, and you're like, whoa! What is it? Huh? What's the stuff? You're like person standing there. You just makes it easier.
Yeah, that's exactly right.
Yes,
Who's that? Is that your horse? Oh. I totally missed that. Totally missed the geometry. Normally not something a guy like me misses.
This is the reason right here why she got kicked off the track.
Who are you running to? What's that?
She's lazy.
Lazy. Why don't you nickname her Homer? Oh, you jealous, guys? You jealous? Oh, I discovered the zoom controls. Well, that was halfway around. Pretty good.
Was she limping in the back, though?
No. I didn't see it. But then again, I'm concentrating.
She's just being